Sawadee Welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. I'm Pam and today let's make this lovely Asian style stir fry spinach. We're gonna need only a few ingredients. Let's have a look. Baby spinach, garlic, and chili. For seasonings, we're gonna use oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, water, and this ingredient will bring it to the next level. Chinese salted fermented soybeans or Tao Jiew. This is optional. If you don't have it, it's totally okay. If you have it, this will bring so much umami taste. And that's it for the ingredients. Since this menu is going to be very quick to make, we're gonna prepare everything beforehand. Chilies and garlic, you can either pound in a mortar and pestle or mash and chop roughly with a knife. And for this portion, use about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And chilies, use as many as you want or not at all if you don't want it spicy. Okay, set them aside. Now the seasonings. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, a half tablespoon sugar. If you are adding Taucheo as well, add 1 tablespoon of it. I want a little more soybeans. Bloop. 1 or 2 tablespoon water. Depends on how watery you want. There's a water content already in baby spinach, so we don't need a lot of water. Mix them up. Taste and adjust to your own taste. $250 grams of baby spinach. Clean, rinse them with water thoroughly. Looks like we have a lot, but you know, they will shrink. Start with a medium heat here. About 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Wait until the oil warms up but not hot. Put the garlic and chili in. If the oil is too hot, it will burn the garlic and chili pretty quickly. And then we're gonna keep stirring until they give off the fragrance. Then put the baby spinach. It'll be a lot easier and more fun if you cook in a wok, but that's fine if it's not a wok. The spinach will shrink in no time. Pour the seasonings that we mixed earlier. Then turn the heat up to high heat. Then flip and stir. Once the spinach is about 70–80% cooked, turn off the heat. Smells delicious. You can eat as it is or with steamed rice, my favorite way, or boiled rice with salted duck eggs. So comforting. This is too big bite. This is so good. I'm gonna go finish this off now. So if you like this recipe, leave this video a thumbs up. And if you like Thai cooking and Asian cooking, don't forget to subscribe to Girl in the Kitchen and don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll not miss the new recipe every week. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ